Can you see who viewed your TikTok video 2023? Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you if you can see who viewed your TikTok video 2023. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here you can see this footsteps icon. So in here you can see all the photos or all the people that has actually visited your profile. So that's one method. But if you want a deeper method that we can use, then what you need to do is just click on the three lines right here. Then click on the settings and privacy. And from in there, just click on account. And then make sure that you are not on a personal account. It can be a business account or a creator account. Since I'm already creator, it is asking me to switch to a business account. But since they are the same, then it doesn't matter. But just make sure that you're not a personal account. And then after that, once you have done that, you can just click on the video that you want to see. So here's that video. In here you can see this views right here. So just click on the views. So as you can see, the post series will only be available for 7 days. So it will only be available for 7 days from there. So you can't do anything about it. But one thing you can do is to head over to your three dots again. And then click on creator tools. Then after you have clicked on that, you can see analytics. So click on analytics right here. And then this will proceed to another thing like this. So in here, you first need to turn it on in order to learn about your viewers. So let's click on turn on right here. And then actually in here, you can see the overview of your analytics. You can see here the video views, profile views, comments, and likes. You can see here your content, your followers, and also your live. So you just need to head over to analytics to see everything in here. So let's refresh our TikTok right here and let's click on this video again. And then you can see here that there's already an option for more data. So click on more data. And in here you can see the video analysis. You can see the total play time, this right here, and also someone bookmarked it. Then 5 people has hearted it. You can see this right here, the video views, but as you can see, this data is processing, so just wait for that. Also this retention rate, traffic sources, and all of that. So if you click on viewers right here, you can also see this right here, but it will only be shown when they are available. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned who can see your view or view your TikTok video. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.